Today we're going to take a look at Bosch's wall scanner. This is the GMS 120. Now I've had this thing since 2013. I can prove it right here on the back. We got a July 2013. So I've had this for a long time and I absolutely love it. When you're using this, you have to scan the wall a bunch of times before it really hones in on that spot. Now this isn't just a stud finder. This does metal, copper, electrical, concrete, all kinds of stuff. So to turn it on, you just hold the on button down. It turns on and you get the green light. Now you can illuminate the back screen with one button. It makes a sound when you move it around. There's a button here you can press that will turn off the sounds. This shows your battery life. This takes a 9-volt battery and that goes in on the back. This opens up right here. Got a little bit of padding on it. So when we want to do stud finder, we will press the wood button. And when we scroll this back and forth, it'll center the stud right on this green circle here. And then you can mark the center of it. So that's perfect if you're trying to find the center of studs. For metal, this is perfect if you're trying to find metal studs or if you're trying to find copper or rebar. This will do concrete up to 4 3/4 of an inch in depth. It can detect electrical wire up to 2 inches in depth. It can detect copper wire up to 3 1/8 inches in depth. And it can do wood up to 1.5 inches in depth. So it's really great for renovators if you're trying to find, say, electrical in a wall. So any live wire, this will detect it. It won't detect wire if it's dead. The wood is the one I use the most, obviously, for finding studs if I'm mounting things. And then next would be the live wire mode. This is a really handy tool to have. Just remember, keep it on the wall and scan back and forth slowly and just keep doing it. And the more you do it, the more it'll learn the wall and actually be able to find those studs, those wires, copper, whatever you might be looking for. As soon as you lift it off the wall or as soon as you lift it off the floor, it's going to reset. So you just got to scan back and forth till you find it, and just be patient and it will find it. It's a really great scanner. All right guys, hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it and we'll catch you later.